Nnamdi Kanu Batago na court. Nnamdi Kanu Batago na court. Yes. Nnamdi Kanu Batago na court. Che. Mas Gwandi Boku. Gwandi Boku. I think I got it too much.
Is life in us. Honor in good spirits.
Yes, Abatago.
Honor and my brother. Obviously, you can survive.
Honor in the high spirits, also know I can't watch. I'll be the Kaganebe.
I'll have to drop your hand in it.
Yeah.
Raised here in the application, safety application for bail, have been raised by the defendants severally in this court. And this court has made an order that all preliminary objections or issues shall be taken during the judgments. This court is bound by that order. However, the issue as regards to referral of question to the Court of Appeal and the stay of proceedings statutory law governing criminal procedure in Nigeria, 2 weeks. Administration of Criminal Justice Act 2015 by Section 306 of that Act, which provides that an application for stay of proceedings in respect of criminal matters before court shall not be entertained. This statutory provision was initiated by the Court of Appeal in the case of Sowore versus Federal Republic of Nigeria. I must speak as to the essence, the reason for this statutory provision, that is Section 306 of Administration of Criminal Justice Act. The essence of this provision is to prevent inordinate delay through the filing of appeals while trial is going on. For this reason, the Section 306 of Administration of Criminal Justice Act having provided that such application shall not be entertained, this court shall not entertain sale. As regards to the application seeking for bail, we have different types of bail applications. Bail application can be bail pending trial or bail pending appeal. I've looked at the application for bail. This application before this court does not fall within those two classes of application for bail. In this matter, as also stated by the defendant, that he has put in his defense. Hearing has been concluded. And also, by the order of this court, on the 27th day of October 2025, the court made an order that the defendant should next date put in his defense, or if he's not putting his defense, he should file address which shall be deemed to be final address. The defendant portion to that filed motion and comprehensive address. It is based on this that I hold that issues are relieved is highly unmeritorious. Same is hereby dismissed. Like I said earlier, all other issues have been raised through that motion and comprehensive final address that was deemed as final address, and another motion filed thereafter. This court, in the interest of justice, will not close its eyes to say the court will determine all this issue in its judgments. I proceed, I deliver my judgment. Judgment, please.
My Lord, I have an objection. Final written address is a constitutionally mandated right which I must be granted. It is in the constitution of this very country that final written addresses, my Lord, must be granted. I have not waived it, my Lord, and I insist that I address this court on all these issues. My Lord, do not forget.
The defendants,
my Lord,
consultants, can you tell?
My Lord, I will not, please, let me finish. Please. It's my case. It is my case, my Lord, let me finish. My Lord, in this very court, Emeka Itiaba SAN was here, my Lord. Emeka Itiaba SAN said, at the right time we will contradict or controvert a piece of evidence. A piece of evidence given in this very court. I need to write my final written address, my Lord. I must.
Count charge which reads thus.
My Lord, my Lord, I'm saying it clearly.
Defender,
I am entitled to final written address.
defender,
What is my final written address? It's in the Constitution. My final written address.
defendant,
My Lord, my final written address. Where is it?
can you listen to the court?
I'm not, my Lord, please, please,
Can you listen to the court?
please, my Lord. I need to file my final written address. It's in the Constitution.
I appeal to you to compose yourself this temple of justice.
My Lord, you are biased. You are biased. This is not law. You are biased. It's not law.
Please, I beg you to compose yourself.
My Lord, this is not law. Show me where it says you can waive my right to final written
I
address.
beg you to
Show me.
compose yourself.
Show me where it says you can waive my right to final written address. And I'll sit down. Show me. My Lord, you are conducting their case for them. You are the one running their case for them. Let them show me that the prosecution. Show me where it says you can waive my right to final written address. And I'll sit down.
You have the right to appeal after my...
No, my Lord. This is a perversion of the cause of justice. This is not law. It is not law.
Can you excuse me?
My Lord, I cannot excuse nullity and illegality.
Can you let him...
It's not possible. It is not possible, my Lord. You must show me where the Constitution says you have the right to waive my written address. You must show me.
Excuse him.
Show me. Show me where it says so. Show me. Show me where it says so.
Excuse him.
Is that why you brought the cameras? Is that why you brought them today?
Please.
You didn't bring it before. You brought it today.
Please.
Show me where it says you can try me on a repeat law. Show me.
Please.
Show me where it says you can try me on a repeat law. I said, show me. Show me.
Excuse me.
Show me.
Get the microphone from him.
No, leave it. Leave it. Leave it. I said, leave it. It's a court of law. I'm under trial. I'm under trial and I have to speak. I'm under trial and I have to speak. Listen to me. Listen to me, please. I'm under trial. I'm under trial. I'm under trial. And I must address the court.
Please,
Wait. No, listen to me. Please. The judge must listen to me. No. Wait. Wait. I'm asking a very simple question. No. Wait. Please. Look, this is Supreme Court. Wait, hold on. This is Supreme Court here. Hold on a second. Hold on. I said hold on.
please.
May I inquire? This is not a court of law. It's not a court of law. What you're doing is not law. You don't know the law. Show me. I said show me where you have the right to waive my right to final address. Show me. It's what the Constitution says. Show me. Show me. You cannot show me.
I'll come back.
You cannot show me.
Can you please?
You cannot show me because you don't know the law. You can't show me.
All right.
Wait, hold on a second. Don't touch me. Don't you dare touch me. People who don't know law, show me where it says you can waive my right. Show me the place I'm asking you. Show me. Show me. Show me. Which law says you can try me an unwritten law? Show me. You cannot show me. I'm a judge. You claim you're a judge. You don't know law. You don't know law. Nonsense. Where is the final written address? Where is it? Which law gave you the right to waive my final written address? Which law gave you that right? Nonsense. You think I'm trying this with illiterates and you try with me? Of your man. What's this one doing here? What are you doing here? What are you doing here? What are you doing here? Ask me what are you doing here? This is the idiot that attacked me. This is the fool that attacked me. That's the idiot that attacked me. That's the fool. Don't touch me. Don't push me. I'm going. Don't touch me. I'm warning you. Don't touch me. I'm warning you. Don't touch me. Don't touch me. Don't touch me. I said don't touch me. Don't. Smart people. You don't know law. Show me where it says you can waive my right to final address. Show me the law. Show me the law. I want to show me the law. You don't know law. They are promoting you. You are writing rubbish. Show me the law. Unaddressed affidavit. You say you are you doing their job for them? God will punish you now and forever. Any judgment, let it be on record. Any judgment given in this court is rubbish.
Apart from other problems, one of which is the kidnapping, what is known as the extraordinary rendition of Nnamdi Kanu from Kenya, you cannot cure that. You cannot cure the absence of evidence. You cannot cure every other problem you brought upon yourself in this problem. And that's what we have told them. And in general, because this is also foundational to Nigeria, Nigeria is in search of unity, they claim. Nigeria is in search of nationhood because it has never become a nation. If you want to make that happen, you do justice to all the components of Nigeria. You don't discriminate against somebody because his name is somebody you don't like, or because his religion is what you can't stand, and then you expect the country to be united. That is not going to happen. So, in doing this, you know, we're also encouraging them to have the national healing that can bring about national unity, since they love unity very much. But there can never be unity without justice.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Finally, if you say a word, maybe a final piece of advice to government, if they will listen to you, what would that be?
I don't advise government. They have over 2,000 advisors. Anybody who's advising government in Nigeria is the enemy of government. Government of Nigeria don't listen to advice. Otherwise, ChatGPT could have advised them that this case is not going anywhere. Yes.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. Just a prompt on ChatGPT or Grok 4 on Twitter would have advised them that this is not going to go anywhere, no matter how well it is packaged, no matter how well the propaganda is pushed. And look at where we are today in Nigeria. Look at where we are. Nigeria is in a throes of some of its worst security situation. And this is what we are wasting our time doing. You know, we have 35 Christians at the time that we are being accused of persecution of Christians in the bush, attacked by terrorists who were live streamed. You have 25 female students, Muslims, also in the bush with terrorists. You have an army general who has just been murdered by terrorists. You are not focused on that. You are trying Nnamdi Kanu because he carried a microphone to say that he wants Biafra. The only evidence they have in this court is the microphone that they found with him when he was arrested in Lagos. And his underwear, top and bottom. There is no evidence of a gun or an RPG. He was not found with police uniforms. Whereas in Katsina, someone killed an assistant commissioner of police, kept his uniform and wore the uniform to a peace conference, the so-called peace conference. And nothing is done about it. They bring their magazines and their AK-47s and their anti-gun, anti-aircraft guns to meetings. You can't do anything about them, but it's the guy who wears a nice Fendi and a microphone and says, we want justice. 10 years. You can't figure it out. Yes.
Thank you very much.
My thought is this. I brought the Julian Assange issue just to tell you that the government can use wisdom and bring about situation where they will tell him, you've spent so and so time in detention. Let us count it for you as any punitive measure for whatever they may say he had done. Allow him to plea to any minor offense that will suit that number of times he has already stayed and release him. That's why I brought the Julian Assange. That's wisdom. Then secondly, you can release him conditionally and tell him, look, this will bring crisis if we release you. No responsible government will say, let us release you when we have not gotten a commitment from you that you will no longer go along this line. The young man had said that he is willing to negotiate, that he is willing to talk. So you talk to him, that is releasing him conditionally. Then the third one is releasing him unconditionally. So you have a choice, but the three of them will land in releasing him. The most important thing is that the government checks the cost-benefit analysis in whatever it is doing. And I can tell you that the benefit of releasing him, if you can make him to get commitment on what you want him to do after releasing him, will be better than keeping him. Because keeping him has not solved the security situation in the southeast. It has not stopped the agitation. As a matter of fact, it is making even the agitation to now be multifaceted, to now be unknown. That's why you hear the unknown gunmen. So it's more difficult to tackle. So releasing him, in my own opinion, will be better off now than keeping him. The benefit of releasing him will be better than the cost. So you negotiate with him, know the best option, and release him.
Pray for Nnamdi Kanu. Pray. And let us do well to also remember to pray for our country, Nigeria. I know that some of us may not like this one, but please, we need to do it. We need to do it because you are still a Nigerian. You are still living in Nigeria. So whatever affects this country will affect you and I more. So we need to pray. We need to pray for our country, Nigeria. Thank you so much for watching the video. Please do it to subscribe to the channel. Turn on your notification bell so whenever I post another video, you'll be notified. If you're a returning subscriber, I want to say thank you to you. Thank you for stopping by to watch our video. We love and appreciate the support you give us on this channel. May God bless you. May God reward you in the name of Jesus. When you call for one, may millions answer in the name of Jesus. Don't forget, share the video, also share the platform, share with your friends and love them. God bless us to do so. I'll see you in the next one. You are blessed.